Welcome, everyone. Thanks for joining us for the Medical Dermatology Society meeting this year. I'm Tara Jaleel, and as part of the Education Committee, it gives me great pleasure to introduce Dr. John Frew. Dr. Frew is a fellow of the Australasian College of Dermatologists. He holds a Master's of Medicine in Clinical Epidemiology and has also completed a recent postdoc fellowship at Rockefeller in New York between 2018 and 2020. He was working under the guidance of Professor James Kruger and identified immunological pathways and novel therapies for the treatment of hidradenitis suppurativa during his time there. I actually met him several years ago at HS Foundation meeting and heard his talk. And at that meeting and many others, he has always been a thought leader in the field. He has over 100 peer-reviewed publications and has contributed to numerous international dermatology and immunology textbooks in a very short time. Some of his work has not only identified the existing gaps in knowledge, but his translational work has led to illuminating certain elements of the pathogenesis and disease state. His recent clinical work, especially with brodalumab, has also led to identification of clinical therapies for hidradenitis suppurativa, making him a globally recognized leader and researcher in the field of hidradenitis suppurativa. It gives me great pleasure to introduce him to you as the next speaker, and thank you for joining us all the way from Australia, John.